You can make not less than 30,000 naira every week on this platform. Yes, this platform is paying. Believe me, and believe me when I say the platform is paying. The name is WaPlus, which simply means Water Plus. You can be making a lot of money from this platform. A friend of mine referred me to this platform a few days ago, and then I said, let me give it a try. Guess what happened? I've been making money from this platform, and I just referred somebody 2 days ago, and look at it here. The person has already testified, giving me testimony about it. You wouldn't want to miss this one. All you need to do is to register. The registration is free. You don't need any money to get the registration. Just enter your phone number, email address, create your password, and then the next thing to do is to link your WhatsApp and stay active for 15 minutes. After that, you are good to go. You'll be getting your money. The next step for you is to get a referral. If you refer one person, you get 5,000. Each person will give you 5,000 naira. So imagine you have 10 referrals in 2 days. Calculate 5,000 naira times 10. You see that you'll be making a lot of money from this platform. You can refer your family, your friends, you can refer your brothers, your siblings, your mother, your father. You can use any of their WhatsApp and then link it. Send the link to them, and then they will use your link to register. I'm going to be dropping my phone number there. Send hi to me on WhatsApp, or send hi to this number you're seeing on your screen now, so I can drop you the link and the video on how to go about it. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started on how to register on this platform. Let's go, guys.
All right, go to your WhatsApp. This is the link.
All right.
You're going to click on this one. Click on this one. Don't click on this one. Don't click on this. Click on this. I'm going to click on it. All right. Wait for it to load. Wait for it to load. All right. When as you are seeing this, you need to verify. If you see this, don't panic. Just wait for it to load. All right. I'm going to click on this place. Click on this to verify that you are a human being, not a robot. I'm going to click on it. Wait for it to load. Open it. Alright. As I open it, this is how it's going to look like. This is how it's going to look like. You're going to scroll down a little bit. Scroll down. Alright. Look at it here. Look at it here. Step one, you need 3 things to register. You're going to enter your phone number, first of all, email address, and password. You create any password that you like. Yes, these are the 3 things you need for the registration, first of all, to create an account. I'm going to enter my phone number here. Alright, I'm done entering my phone number. Next one is email. Type in your email. Alright, I'm going to create my password. Now, any password that I like. Alright, after that, this is my phone number, email, and password, the 3 things they need. So, next one, click on agree and next. I'm going to click on it. Wait for it to load. Alright, this is how it's going to look like. Please, if you see this, don't panic. Verify, always verify that you are a human being, not a robot. This is how it's going to look like. Right, this is it. Next thing, click on log into WhatsApp. Click on log into WhatsApp. Don't forget. Alright, click again on log into WhatsApp. Wait for it to load. Alright, don't panic if you see this. Wait for it to load. I'm going to click on it. Click on it to verify it. Always verified. Alright, this is how it's going to look like. Click on link with phone number instead. Click on link with phone number. Yes. Alright, this is how it's going to look like. You're going to type in your WhatsApp number, the same WhatsApp number. I don't enter my WhatsApp number. Click on get. Click on get. They will send you good. Alright, you wait for it to load. Wait, network. Alright, this is the code. Please, this code now, this is what you are going to use and link your WhatsApp. They count. Look at the time. He is counting. If the time expired, and you never link this thing, the code will be expired. You need to start all over again. So copy down, write down this code, write it somewhere. This code now, write it down very fast. You need to be very, very fast about it. As you are doing this, notification will pop up from your WhatsApp. So go to your notification bar, look at it here on top, the first one, enter code to link new device. Yes, tap on it. Your own can be down, tap on it. Or at least look at it here. Look at how it's going to look. Tap on confirm, tap on confirm. Alright, enter the code, that code that you copy out, you're gonna enter it here. I go type in my own. Alright, wait for it to load. So this is it, we are done. You are done for now. Then after the registration, don't forget, don't go out on your WhatsApp, stay on your WhatsApp for 20 minutes. Yes, before you go offline. Don't allow your screen light to off or you go out.
Alright, that's how to register on the platform and link your WhatsApp. So this is my new YouTube channel that I just created. The old one, I changed it to use it for something else, but this is the new one. On this channel, I'm going to be uploading videos on how to make money with your phone. A lot of people are really cashing out with their phone. A lot of people, of my guys, they are not working. They are not doing monthly work. Trust me, monthly work cannot make you rich. Take note of that. So you can be using your phone and be making a lot of money on social media. If you don't know, you don't know. So this is the right place for you to stick around. Subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell, because I'm going to be uploading videos every day on how to make money. How to make money on TikTok, how to trade, how to make money on Telegram, how to make money on Facebook and all the social media platforms. Stick around, subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell to get the next video. I'm going to be dropping the next video tomorrow. If you want to join my WhatsApp channel, the link is on the description. Check the description and click on the link to join my WhatsApp group so that you'll be getting updates on every single project that I'm handling. Let's go, guys. Thanks for watching. If this is your first time coming across my video, you are welcome. Thank you. Stick around to the next video.